Hi everybody, this is the 5th video of our role-based prompting series, and today I will be showing you how to use role-based prompting as a project manager. If you have not watched the first video, I highly recommend you go and watch that first. It will be linked in my description. So the first type of prompting we'll be talking about today is step-by-step prompting. So the first step of step-by-step prompting is the basic prompt with nothing extra. So how is the prompt going? Let's just paste this. So if you send that through, ChatGPT doesn't have anything to base off of, so it's just going to be it's not going to be very informational. It's just going to be too broad and no structure. So to take this to the next level, you have to add a role plus context. So I am the project manager for this project. Give me a current project status update. So let's copy and paste this. So this defines responsibility and scope and just makes the entire prompt so much better. Now you can see that it's given me so much more than it did before. To take this even further, you refine with management constraints. So rewrite the update focusing on scopes, schedule, risks, and dependence rather than technical implementation details. So let's copy and paste. So this prioritizes management decision points, which again elevates the prompt even further. The second type of prompting we'll be talking about today is persona plus format combination. So the prompt structure of this is manager role plus reporting goal plus output format. So let's copy paste this. So I am a project manager overseeing delivery. Create a status report table showing progress, blockers, risks, and next steps. So this part is so the purpose of this is to match leadership role with reporting format, and this part is I am project manager, that's the manager role, and then this is overseeing delivery is the reporting goal, and then in a report table showing progress, so on, that is the output format. So if you send that through, it will just give you what you said. So as you can see, it's in a table and it's given progress, blockers, risks, next steps. The third one we'll be talking about today is multi-shot prompting. So the purpose of multi-shot prompting is compare past and current performances. So if we copy and paste this. So it says, I am a project manager reviewing progress updates. Here are the previous status reports. So you just put the summary of your report. You put 2, so you put 2 updates. And now analyze the latest update. Tell me what has improved, what has stalled, what needs immediate attention. So I'm going to send that through and it will just do what you told it to. This identifies trends, supports proactive intervention, and improves forecasting. The fourth one we'll be talking about today is chain of thought prompting. So this is the prompt. So I am a project manager. Explain step by step how I should evaluate whether this project is on task, focus on schedule, scope, budget, risks, and team capacity. So I'll just put that into ChatGPT. So this works. So send that through first. And this works because it encourages systematic analysis, avoids reactive decisions, and supports governance standards. So as you can see, it's just done exactly what you have told it to. all these steps. Oh, it's actually given us a lot of steps. Now, the last but not least is the prompt sandwich method. So how this one works is that it adds context plus the task plus constraints. So that's basically how this entire prompt is structured for it to be a good one. So the context is I am managing a project with multiple dependencies and stakeholders. And then your task is summarize the current project status and explain whether the project is on task. The constraints are keep it concise, use bullet points, and include risk blockers and recommend actions. So if you send that through, it will just do exactly what it told you what you told it to do. And this works because it keeps reporting focused, enables fast decision making, and ideal for leadership updates. I hope this made sense to you. Thank you for watching.